I feel bad that you feel bad about me. Feel bad about you feeling bad about what I said, about what you said about me not being able to share a feeling.
If you thought that what you thought was that I hadn't thought about sharing my thoughts, then my reaction to your reaction to my reaction would have been more revealing.
I was afraid that you'd be afraid if I told you that I was afraid of intimacy. If you don't have a problem with my problem, maybe the problem simply codependency.
Yes, I know that now you know that I didn't know that you didn't know that when I said no I meant yes. I know that now that I know that you knew that I knew you adored me.
I was wrong to
Say you wrong to
say I was wrong about
you wrong to that you said that the ring was the wrong for the ring.
what I said, which toward me. I'm not mad that you got mad when I got mad when you said I should go right there. If I were you and I done what I done, I'd do what you did.